Hi, so you're putting together your laptop carts, and each section of laptops plugs into a power strip, and they're 5 at a time. The equipment that comes with it doesn't really work too well, so we devised a way to put these all together and make it work a little bit easier. So you need 6 cable ties about 12 inches long, your 5, and this is for each one, your 5 power supplies. First thing, obviously, take off the lovely plastic that's on each power supply and get that out of the way. Okay, then you take 2 power supplies, stack them up on top of one another, and then cable tie them together twice, making sure that this fat part of the cable tie ends up on the outside when you tighten it. So put it around, tighten it up, and see it ends up on the outside, what will be the outside of the bundle. Do the same thing with the second one. Oriented the same way. And make sure they're nice and tight. Then do that again with the second bundle. So what you're going to end up with are 2 of them, 2 sets of 2 stacked next to each other. So this time this piece needs to be over on this side. Nice and tight. Do the same thing with the second one. Nice and tight. Okay. Then, if you have wire cutters or scissors, cut off the excess from each of those cable ties. And those 2 go together like that, right? Then the next one is going to get cable tied to the top here. So if these aren't fitting, if it doesn't fit between the cable ties, just spread the cable ties out a bit. And then put 1 cable tie through both on each side. Okay. And then tighten the cable tie on one side, put them together, tighten the cable tie on the other side, cut off the excess, and you have your bundle of 5 supplies. You need to do this
a lot of times.
but it goes pretty quickly once you get used to it.